Hey, if you are new to Adobe text animation, you are not alone. Most beginners animate text using very simple methods. But today, I will not just show you how beginners do it, but I'm gonna show you how professionals stand out with clean, smooth, and more advanced text animation. So, let's dive in.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
There are two main ways to animate text in Adobe After Effects. The basic transform animation. Select your text layer, press UU on your keyboard to expand its properties. You can animate basic transform properties like position, scale, rotation, or opacity. This is what most entry-level creators do, and it works just fine. The text animator properties. A more advanced and flexible method is using the text animator. When you click on the arrow beside your text layer, you will see options like position, opacity, scale, tracking, rotation, and more. You can also find this option when you select your text layer on the property panel. These properties let you animate text characters individually with controls over timing, range, and easing. Now, let me show you a professional approach to text animation that looks clean and dynamic. Add any text of your choice. Press UU on your keyboard to reveal properties. Click the animate arrow and choose position. Click the add and choose opacity property. Set the Y position to -100 or +100 to animate in from the top or the bottom. Set opacity value to 0. Open range selector and keyframe offset. At 0 seconds, set offset to -100. At 1 second forward in time, set offset value to +100. Go into advanced settings. Change shape to ramp up. Set ease high to 25 and ease low to 100. Easy ease the keyframes and edit speed graph. Also enable motion blur for the layer and also on the timeline. And that is it. A clean, professional looking text animation that stands out, not something that screams beginner. Keep experimenting with the animator controls to build more advanced effects and transitions. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more on this channel and drop a like if this helps sharpen your motion skills. So, until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for MotionDigit Studios.